morning.
Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to interact with you for taking care of your product, new solutions and your new branding. Congratulations for that.
Thank
so
you.
can start by giving highlights, whatever your machines, latest machines you are actually displaying here and their functions, what features they have.
Sure. So first of all, we'll just introduce ourselves. I'm Prasad and Neeraj. So we take care of our India business with respect to sales, service, and also solution providers to our customers. Okay.
Hi, I am Neeraj. I'm responsible for equipment sales business for India. And me and Prasad take care and support our customers in the India market and also the totally South Asia market, including Bangladesh and Sri Lanka also. And we are showcasing our elaborate product portfolio. Let's Prasad take you through with that one.
Sure. So before even I introduce our SMT platform machines, ASMPT has an organization. Okay, we do have equipments for semiconductors. Okay, where they manufacture the components and from a wafer pack. So introducing on the SMT today, we have an SMT line set up here. Okay, the SMT line which has like printing solutions, then inspection solutions and placement solutions. So I'll introduce for the printing solutions, and this is a model called TQ, the latest model what we have right now presently. So here, this machine on the printing process. So for the customers, they have certain challenges on replenishing certain kind of consumables. So they need to stop the machines. So now we have come out with art of class of machines where, for example, you have an offline access. Okay, so you can replenish your solder paste with an offline, no need to stop your machines. Similarly, we do have a solvent and also a cleaning wiper roll which is of 22 meters and which can last for almost one shift kind of a production. So your machine is used for printing purpose and not to have any intervention in the printing process. And definitely ASM or the deck machines, when you talk about the accuracy, and we are definitely pioneer on the accuracy part and also on the cycle time. So we are one of the best in cycle time, which is around 5 seconds core cycle time for the printing things. Yeah, thank you. So my colleague Neeraj will explain about the inspection part.
This is our latest platform, process lens. It has two functions. One is the basic machine, which caters to your inspection requirement of the solder paste. Additionally, the major thing is the software part, which takes care of the optimization of your clean rate process. This is the unique feature, the software, which helps us because the current systems available, the inspection systems in the market, caters to the rigid framework where you define the clean rate. So machine cannot give a feedback whether the clean rate has to be 4 or 5. This machine has the capability to give a clean rate real-time monitoring, which will give the capability to the printer and do a optimization in your process code control for optical inspection. This machine has a built-in capability of 5D inspection, 2D for your height measurement and also for the 3D for the inspection of the solder paste. Machine is based on Moire fringe principle. Having a gratings, we create gratings and based on that we do the solder paste inspection. Let my colleague take you to the other equipment we are showing, which is the TX.